What's up guys, it's Gus Activa, and today I'm going to teach you how to work out. So if you're watching this video, you're probably just starting in the gym or you want to get started in the gym, but you don't know where to start, right? So with that being said, you just need to know 3 words. Wait, before these 3 words, I hope that you've either enrolled in a gym or at least have equipment in your house or in your garage somewhere, right? So after you enrolled in a gym or equipment in your house or whatever, you just gotta know 3 words. Push, pull, legs. We're gonna keep it real simple so you can start off strong. Now, basically, push, pull, legs, that's a form of working out. So it's basically the actions you do for that day, the movements you do for that day. So let's say we have 7 days in a week, right? This is to get you started. You have 7 days in a week. Monday, you start your day out, you go to the gym, you're doing push. You're doing push. And basically what that means is any pushing motion, pushing or pushing down like that, that's what you're doing that day. Now, I'll show you some examples, right? So, for example, I'm gonna grab some lightweight. I'm not gonna get hurt for y'all. I'm just trying to teach y'all something. So, let's say this. First, when I say push, on the push day, when your body pushes, it's emphasizing a certain group of muscles, right? So when you push, it's working out this tricep mainly, the chest, and the shoulder, right? With push-pull legs, it gives you an opportunity for your body to rest the next day after you worked out those muscles, right? So let's start off with push. Push, and I also recommend you guys start off with machines because I don't have any machines to show you guys examples, but I'm gonna show you how to do it with dumbbells. And by you seeing me do it with dumbbells, you will be able to understand how it looks like with the machine, right? So let's say I wanted to work my shoulders, right? I'll grab the dumbbells, kick it up like this, and push, 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 easy. And with this exercise, you're basically focusing your shoulders and your triceps. That's where you're gonna feel it most. Push, push. Now you're like, okay, cool. What's another example, right? So if I push this, hold on. Let me see something. Oh, okay. So you can go all the way flat with this. So I'm all the way flat with it, right? I'll grab the weight, boom. Kick it up to me, boom. 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 That's a chest press or a bench press. So a machine like that will look like you would have 2 handles here. The machine will be set up like this. You're gonna sit down and you're just gonna push, push. Not with dumbbells like this. I'm just showing you an example, right? You hop on the machine, boom. You sit down, you have your arms like this, push, push. That's another push exercise. On a push day, anything that has to do with pushing, where you feel your triceps, your chest, or your shoulder working, that's what you need to do. That's what you need to do. Another thing, you're gonna see a machine, which is like a cable. It's gonna be a tall cable machine like that. And what you're gonna do, hold on, I think I gotta stand up for this. Now for this one, it's gonna be that tall cable. You're gonna have that handle. You're gonna hold it like this.
Hold it close to you. You can either do it with 2 arms, 1 arm, right? I'm just doing it with this 1 arm right here. You're gonna grab whatever handle you have, push down, and the cable's gonna try to bring it back up. You're gonna control it, bring it back down. Bring it back down. That's pushing. And that's how simple it is. I recommend you guys do machines in the gym though, because dumbbells are cool and you could use dumbbells, but with the machines, it's gonna guide you in the right direction. It's stabilized, so all you have to do is focus on actually just pushing instead of having to be stable and push. You know what I mean? So that shoulder press I showed you, look for a machine that presses upwards. That chest press or bench press that I showed you, look for a machine that's stable and already in position, so you can just sit there and just push it. This that I showed you, you can find a cable machine, pull it down, and go. And sometimes they have like seated tricep machines, and you can do that as well.
All right, so boom, it's Monday. You just completed your push day. Now the next day, Tuesday, it comes your pull day. So pulling, anything that you're pulling, that's what you're doing that day. Bicep curls, boom. That's simple. Another machine that you're probably gonna see at the gym is, so you're probably gonna see the bar up there. You're gonna grab the bar like this. You're gonna pull it towards you. 1, 2, 3, like that. You're pulling, so that's good. Another exercise you can do that involves pulling, right? Let's just say all the machines are taken up at the gym and it's your pull day and you only have the dumbbells with you. Like, I don't recommend doing dumbbells when you're first starting out. You could do for some like the bicep curls, keep it at a minimum just because, like I said, your form's not gonna be there. The machines are gonna kind of guide you with the form and you can go from there, right? But this is an exercise that I like to do. So I get on the bench, I put my knee on the bench like that. I put my arm out like this. Where the seat is, I have my arm down like that, and I'm pulling, boom, and I pull, 1, 2, like that. So I guess from the side, it won't be that clear, but you pull like this, 1, 2, you know what I mean? That's pulling. So anything pulling on that pull day, that's what you're gonna do. It's that simple. Now, let's say, all right, so you just did your pull day. You did push day on Monday, you did pull day on Tuesday, now it's leg day, right? So there's a few machines and stuff you can do. Machines, like for legs, everything is pretty simple. Legs are legs, you know. The machines, they're not hard to, you know, decipher. You know what's a leg machine, like 100%. I understand some machines, you don't know if that's a push or a pull machine, you just feel it out. But for legs, you know it's a leg machine. So I recommend you get on the machine. You can do like little leg presses, so they're probably gonna have a weight up there and just press it, you know what I mean? You can do the leg extension where you kick your leg up like this, 1, 2, well, both of them, but I just don't wanna, you know, look crazy. Oh, 1, because there's no machines here for me to do it, but you know what I mean. Squats, you could squat, that's pretty simple, you know, you're up, you know how to squat. You know, if anything, you can look at TikTok, YouTube to understand like some exercises you can do. I'm just trying to tell you that exercising is not that hard. Well, getting started is not that hard, and being organized, like having an organized schedule for it. So knowing push-pull legs, it's not hard to get started. The actual effort you're gonna put into it, yeah, it can be hard, you know what I mean? But to actually be like, okay, I'm gonna do this day, this day, and this day, simple. Push, pull, legs. All right, so look, push, pull, legs, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That Thursday you will take a break and then you run it again. And let's say you miss a day, right? So Monday you start off fresh. Tuesday, maybe you're feeling too tired from work or school or something popped up. You can take that rest that day, and then that Wednesday you can do that pull day that you missed Tuesday. It's just that simple, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, if I made things clearer for you, if working out seems easier to do now, or I gave you an idea, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.